Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang, grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I like to talk to you guys as well. So let's get into today's video. It should be relatively quick because I've done a few of the things already. So we're back into my new spreadsheet that will be available tomorrow. There's still a few things that I'm working out, and I'm glad to say that I did figure out how to, let's say you're over here. This is a cell that has a formula, and I don't want you to write in it. So let's say you're typing away and you accidentally put $36.85 and you hit tab. It's going to give you a heads up you're trying to edit a part of the sheet that shouldn't be changed. Accidentally edit anyway. So what you want to do is hit cancel so that it puts it back and leaves the formula there. If you hit OK, it's going to allow you to write over it. But then you can always hit undo. So I was very happy that I was able to lock off some of these, or not lock them off, but allow to give you a quick alert that, hey, you're typing somewhere you shouldn't. But that was good. So there's a few things. And then I also noticed on my own that I have October, November. Oh, I do have both Decembers. I don't know what I'm talking about. So this cell is not locked yet. So if you were to do 32, it would just let you do 32 versus like this cell is locked and it would yell. Or not yell, but So if you did type, you could hit undo and now the formula is back there. Okay. So hopefully that was clear, but let's go ahead and go into our main account and finish allocating out this paycheck that we just received here for the 4th of October to the 17th of October. Let's start at the top. So we still need to mortgage. Is this my monthly? That ain't right. Hold on, y'all. I don't think this is the right one. I've been playing with this the whole time. I don't think that's the right one. Hold on. Oh my God, y'all, I almost cried because I thought that I actually did not save the one that we did together. Ooh, almost was real tears. Almost was real tears. But we're okay. So we're working on this paycheck here. For this week, we're supposed to put $530.81 away for the mortgage. So some things I did go ahead and pay, and we'll talk about those. But some things that are easy transferred, I waited to do with you all. So we're going to transfer them here to Hold Your Horses. Hold Your Horses is basically just an account that I put if I have a half a payment that I'm not paying right away and I wanted to go over there while we wait for the next paycheck to come to pay the full payment. That's what we do. So this right now is we're gonna do this is for November mortgage for 530.81 and we're going to transfer success. So that was successfully transferred. Yay. So we can make that green because we know that it cleared the bank. We're going to use a lighter tone of green now because we've got a little more vibe. Everything green over here is automatic payments. So the $25 in automatic payment, I can't do anything with that right now. The $43.08 is an automatic payment. Can't do anything right now. We're just waiting. The car insurance, I did go ahead and pay that on my credit card. As you can see, we've been paying things off. Not now. But you'll see here in pending, I have $141 for the electric, $171.81 for State Farm. So these two are pending right now on the credit card. And once the credit card clears, I will come back to my operating account over here and I will make the payment from here. So that those two have been scheduled. We don't have the internet till next paycheck. We don't have security till next paycheck, nor the security equipment and trash and sewer. Strangely enough, my neighbor saw me today, and they actually mentioned to me because we have a system where I take the garbage out on Sunday night. Both of our garbage out on Sunday night, and she brings it back in on Monday morning because she's usually working from home. But she was telling me how she's going to switch her garbage carrier because remember how I told you our trash just keeps coming up and up and up, and she has the same as I do, clearly. But she's going to a different one, and their pickup is on like Tuesday, and she says it's like $25 cheaper. So I might look into that for real, because I told her to send me the information because who doesn't need to save some money? She's like, girl, because I'm on a budget. I say, amen, me too. So we might be changing, and so that's going to be great. And then we have Credit card, nothing. Then we have a car payment. I actually did make my car payment already. It just goes through the operating account, so we have to wait for that to go through. And I also made my student loan payment already as well. I swear I put a confirmation note in here. Anyway, so I am going to move this money. So for the first paycheck, this is going to be for numbers. November's variable expenses. The first page, I can't talk. I'm so sorry. The first paycheck is eating out is getting 40, fun is getting 20, gas is getting 60, giving is getting 20, groceries is getting 100, and self-care is getting 40. So obviously I need to slow down. That is a total of $280. So let's go ahead and transfer $280 from my major keys again to hold my horses. This is where I also hold the money for my cashless envelopes until the current month comes about. So this is going to be for November cashless envelope money. And we're going to transfer that. That's half of it. So success, and we can make that green as well. That's the right green? Not at all. Maybe. Why? Y'all know we go through this once or twice. I feel like that should be the right green, but it's not, is it? I can't do this with myself right now. I'll figure it out later. Or maybe that is the right green. Girl, you bugging. All right. Apparel. So a lot of because a lot of the bills were front loaded on this first check, a lot of the sinking funds are not going to be put on till next check. So there's nothing going into sinking funds at this time. And then the only other thing I have to put is my dollar Navy Federal transfer. I do that just to make sure my Navy Federal card stays active, because Navy Federal is a physical bank. And I like to be able to go to a physical bank if need be for any particular reason, whereas Capital One is an online bank and I just get money and stuff out of like general ATMs. So success, and that will be a pending charge, so we won't mark it green. There's our pending charge there. And all the other charges and the gym and all that. So now let's make sure we have exactly what we should have. And that leaves us with $35.52 in our buffer rollover, which we talked about when we talked about our monthly budget. This, I'm thinking like I said, I need to send $25 of it over to my niecey poo. So I'll probably have like more of a $10.52 buffer, but that's okay. I should not be really swiping this particular card for this operating account for anything. So now we're just going to double check that we are exactly where we need to be. We're trying to make sure that what is not colored in equals $721.57. So let's just go and get our calculator up, pass right by it. Okay. So first thing that's not colored is $25 plus $43.08 plus $171.80 plus $141 plus $233.50 plus $70.67 plus $1 plus $35.52 equals $721.57. So we know that what we have allocated and what's left in the bank, the things that we've paid plus our buffer that haven't come out of the bank yet, we have enough money to cover them down to a zero-based budget. So that's it, you guys. That is our first budget allocation. It didn't take us very long because we had set it up already. The template will be ready tomorrow. So if anything, look out for a post or a short or something that shows you guys that is there and ready if you're interested in purchasing it or using it. I like it. It's simple. I get the point. Okay. If you're a paper and pencil picker person, absolutely keep doing that. Do what works for you. But that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me today. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hands. Love you. Mean it. Bye.